my beautiful friends, how are you? I am Zura from Yarn and Needle Cafe. Welcome to my channel again. I hope you like my channel and my projects. Today we are gonna start a new project. I will make a scarf. It's so beautiful in a 3D stitch. Today I will use this yarn. It's NAKO yarn Rekor. Okay, its type is Rekor. Its color number here 6684, and it's the lot number is 70 38 and 20. I will gonna use this hook, 3.5 millimeter hook. It's so beautiful. So grab your things and let's start our project. So let's start. We will gonna start with magic chain as usual. Okay, and we will start chaining. The number of the chains, it should be even number, okay? And the wide, it's up to you. I made 50 chains for my scarf you saw in my picture. So let's start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will continue my chains and I will come back. So I finished my chains. It's 50 chains. I will make 3 chains, extra 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, as an upturn for this project. So in the first row I will make double crochets in every chain I meet. Okay, so I will leave 1, 2, 3 as an upturn. I will make a double in every single chain. Don't leave any chain to make your project beautiful. I'll keep making doubles in every chain in these 50 chains. I will continue making doubles in every chain I meet, and I will come back. Okay, and this is my first row. All of it is double crochets. Here are the last one. Okay, sorry, I missed one, so I will go back. And this is the last double that I will make in our first row. To upturn, I will make 3 chains and turn my project here. So here I will skip our 2 chains, our first 2 chains, sorry, 1, 2, and I will gonna make 3 double crochets in the third one. Skip first 2 chains, stitches, then in the third stitch make 3 doubles all in the same stitch. Okay, I made 3 doubles in the third stitch. Okay, I'm gonna chain 1. Okay, I will skip 2 stitches and make 3 double crochets in the third one, all of them in the same stitch. Okay, chain 1, skip 2, and in the third one I will make 3 doubles. I will keep doing that till the end of this row. Skip 2. In the third chain I will make 3 doubles, chain 1, skip 2, 3 doubles, chain 1. I will skip 2, 3 doubles, 3 double crochets, and chain 1. Keep doing that until the end. Sorry. Now I almost finished my row 2. That it's look like. So you will find 2 chains in the very last row. So I will make 1 double crochet in the very last chain, just like that. Let's make my upturn. 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn your project. Here, focus here. Here I will make a double, but from the behind of the stitch. How? You will grab your yarn, and from the behind of your project you will make from this first double, okay, you will grab a yarn from the behind, okay, I wish you see what I'm doing. I will grab my yarn again and make my double. I will make 3 doubles from behind of our first double crochet. So again, I will grab a yarn, and from you can see this first double, okay, I will grab my yarn, and from the behind here I will enter my hook to the first double crochet and grab the yarn, pull the yarn, sorry, okay, and complete my double, okay. And again, this is my first one, chain 1, here 2, in the second pack I will grab a yarn, you can see this first one, okay, from behind, okay, I will insert my hook, okay, pull the yarn till the end, okay, continue on my double. I will keep doing that to the end of this row. I will make 3 doubles from behind, like that, chain 1. In the third one I will keep doing what I done in the first. Look, okay, 3 doubles, 1 chain, 3 doubles, 1 chain, 3 doubles from the behind. In the fourth one, from behind this double crochet I will pull my yarn, sorry, I will keep doing that until the end of this row. I will repeat this row till the end of this scarf, okay. So I made this row number 2. In the very last one I will make a 1 double crochet here in the last double crochet in the last chain, okay, 1 double crochet in the last one, chain 3, turn your project. Here the same of number 1, 2, row number 2 and 3. I will make 3 double crochets in the first double crochet from behind, and 1 chain. Okay, I will keep repeating this row, okay, till the end of your scarf. Okay, and when you reach to the end, to the final double crochet, I will make 1 double crochet. So as you see here, I make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. Look how it's look like. It's so beautiful, 3D stitch, so neat. Look at the stitches. Okay, as I told you, in the very last one I will make 1 double crochet here, in the very last double crochet here. Okay, I will make 1 double crochet and chain 3, and I will continue till the end. I hope you like this stitch, and you will make it as soon as you can. Thank you very much for watching me. Please subscribe and share and turn on the bell. Thank you very much.